Welcome back to the Hebert house. I'm really excited you're here today because I have a huge Grove Collaborative haul for you guys. I was on bed rest for about 6 months and I couldn't clean, which nearly killed me. But I guess during that time I decided to order cleaning supplies so that when I could clean, they were ready for me. So I think I have 4 different orders, some of which I have never even opened. So you're going to be surprised right along with me when I open them today. So I think we're going to go ahead and get into it though, because there's a lot. Before we do, if you are new here, welcome. I'm Lelia. I'm the mom here at the Hebert house, and we do videos on homeschooling, organization, cleaning, our infertility, infant loss, pregnancy, and now newborn journey, and a little bit of everything. We just really like to share our lives with you guys. And we love that you're here for the journey with us. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from us. Alright, so let's go ahead because there's like a ton of stuff. If you're not sure what the Grove Collaborative is, it is a subscription-based cleaning supplies, beauty supplies that are all chemical free and environmentally friendly. And I use all of those in my house. It actually started because I didn't want to use cleaning supplies that our dog could like eat or lick and get sick. So that's actually why I started ordering from the Grove, and then I just fell in love with being able to have cleaning supplies delivered to my house. It's like Christmas each month. If you are interested, you can use the link below to order, and I think with $20 you get a free Miss Meyers kit, which is a great value. And just as a disclaimer, if you do use my link, then I also get a credit that I can use to get more cleaning products and do more hauls for you guys. So I'd really appreciate it if you did use that. All right, enough of that, let's jump in here. So this box I had already opened. I ordered this probably around Christmas time, and I never ended up using it because I couldn't do anything at Christmas time. So this is the Miss Meyers pre-order for her holiday scents, I believe, and I'm VIP with the Grove, so I get to order pre-orders first. And it came with a little kit. So I got the Miss Meyers peppermint scent. So obviously I'll probably wait until next year to use these again, or I might not. I'm not one of those people that's like goes crazy and has to use them at a certain time. It came with the hand soap, and it came with a candle. And I've never actually used the Miss Meyers candle before, so if you have, let me know down below if you like them. I probably won't use this one for a while, but if you do like them, I may order one in between and try it out. So that was the kit that it came with. It also came with the dish soap, but I think we've already used it. And then it also came with this cute eucalyptus apron, which is be perfect for like holiday baking. I think be really cute for that. And then it also came with this cleaning caddy, and it has pomegranates on it, which is super cute. I love using these to keep cleaning supplies in like the different rooms. We have a 2-story house, so like keeping some upstairs and keeping some downstairs so I'm not having to like go back and forth is really handy. All right, so that was the first box and probably the smallest of all 4, because the other ones have like a good bit in them. I'm gonna go into the next one. I'm not really sure in what order I ordered these boxes, so we're just gonna dive in. All right, so the first thing is, okay, so here is a spring scent from Miss Meyers. So I think we're like progressing forward. This one is the Miss Meyers peony scent. And this is actually one of my favorite scents of hers, and so when they do the spring scents, I usually order a couple of these just to have throughout the year. It smells so good. So I got the multi-purpose spray, and I got the 7th generation dish soaps, and I have actually started using this one because we ran out of the other one. So this is the 7th generation clementine zest and lemongrass scent, and it smells really good. It smells like a tangerine, like when you open a tangerine up, and I really like it. I usually use the Miss Meyers dish soaps, but this one actually I feel like suds up better, and it doesn't leave as much of what I feel like as a film maybe. You don't have to rinse it as much, so I really am liking this. It rinses really clean. And then the other one I got is the Purely Clean version, and it has fresh lemon and tea tree scent. See that? So I got both of those. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay, so I got the peony trio set. So this is the peony hand soap. And also, I love her designs on her labels now. They are very pretty, so you can leave them out in like your bathrooms and your kitchen, and they don't like mess up your decor. So, all right, and then I also got the dish soap. So I got that trio. What is this? Oh, bamboo straws. I guess I was feeling environmentally friendly when I ordered this. So they are bamboo straws. And they have, it looks like they have like different like circumferences. And they're a kit and you can wash them. It comes with the brush. So you can wash them and keep them. We do love to use a straw around here. And so I was feeling, I guess at the time, I still do, feeling a little environmentally friendly and wanted to get some that we could reuse. And so I guess that's why I ordered these. So I'll have to try these out, let you know how I feel about them. So that was in there. Next is the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes, and these are in the garden mint scent. And I love these. I actually don't use these as much as my teenage son does. He cleans his bathroom every Wednesday, and I get these for him. They're easier for him than like a spray and a clean, just for him to kind of keep it clean. And he likes to use these on his bathroom, and he goes through them quite regularly, which is fine as long as he's cleaning the bathroom and I'm not having to, because boy, teenage boys are gross. So I keep these in his bathroom for him to clean with. I'm glad I have some of those. All right, organic English breakfast tea. I'm pretty sure that this was a free gift because I wouldn't have ordered it. I'm kind of a, like I have the teas that I like, and I usually use the pink stork teas for different things. So I'll have to try this out. I'm sure it's a free gift with the VIP membership. I think it's like $20 a year, and you get free shipping, and you also get free gifts. You also get like pre-orders of things that other people can't get. It's worth it to me. I love it. And I think this may have been one of my free gifts. So it's the black tea 15 pyramid tea satchels. So I'll have to try that and let you guys know how it is. And it's by the Grove, so I'm assuming it's their brand. All right, next up, Bubble Up soap dispenser dish brush set. So I definitely don't remember ordering this, but okay. All right, I bet this probably came with a spring order as well. And it's this little ceramic dish with flowers all over it, and it has like a spring in here, and then it comes with a brush. So put it in there maybe. See if there's directions. All right, to use. Add soap and water to the spring-loaded ceramic base. Move the brush up and down to generate foam. Clean dishes and admire their sparkle. Refill with soap and water as necessary. Okay, that's kind of fun. And it'd be pretty sitting on your counter. It's a pretty little doodad. So I'll have to use it and tell you guys what I think about it. You can see like the inside. You just do that. So, ooh. All right, so I'll have to try that and get back to you on that. Okay, these are, okay, yes, this is was all part of the pre-order. So this is the Wildflower European dishcloth. And I actually saw these on a blog called Lemon Stripes that I follow, and she had been using these as a way to be more environmentally friendly, because you can use these instead of paper towels, and they're washable and reusable. And this says, once you try our European dishcloth, you may wonder why you ever needed paper towels. These durable and absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any mess. When you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect. Reduce waste while making your home sparkly clean, the best kind of multitasking. So I'm excited to use these too. I'm going to be filming a cleaning video right after this, so I think I might have to use these while I do that. All right, and then the last part of that pre-order, I'm assuming, was this Wildflower tea towel. I'm going to take it out of the package so you can see it. I do have the light on me, so I'm probably kind of washed out, but it is a kind of a dreary day here in Georgia. And so I had to use the light so you guys can see me. Oh, this is pretty. So this is the tea towel that it came with. These are very pretty, so I'll definitely be putting that in the kitchen with all of my spring decor. Currently, I still have Easter up, even though it's May. Oh, here's my packing. Ooh, sorry, here's my packing slip. So let's see if there's a date on it. Okay, so this is March 13th. So this was right before I had the baby. So this is like my last order before I had the baby. So that's all that's in that box. All right, here is another box, another big box. One of the things that I have used out of this box was this Miss Meyers baby detergent. And then I got it in Baby Blossom. This is what we used to wash all of Hobson's clothes before he came home from the hospital, or came home to be with us. I washed them, I went into preterm labor at 31 weeks, and then we washed all of his clothes because we didn't know when he was coming, and so we had to go ahead and get this out. So I guess it would have been before then, so I probably ordered this January, February. So I did this, and we do like this. It's pricey, so I'm not sure if I'll do it again. I'll probably like try out some of the other baby ones. In the same order, I have this, which is 7th generation, made for babies, and it is the sensitive skin. So I have that one as well, and it's about half the price of the Miss Meyers. So I'm gonna try this one after this, and I'll let you know which one I like better. If you've used both of them, tell me which one you like and why down in the comments. I would love to know, because if I can get away with ordering one that's still clean and half the price, then I'm gonna do it, because why wouldn't you? All right, so next up is, ooh, this is my favorite Miss Meyers scent, the honeysuckle scent. So I got the honeysuckle multi-surface spray. I'm really excited to open these boxes because I was running low on a lot of this stuff. So I've got the honeysuckle spray, and then, oh, I do not remember ordering this. This is the Caldrea, and it's the Tangelo Palm Frond scented. And I'm gonna open this because I don't know what it smells like. I like the Caldrea sprays, but I usually only order them when I have a credit. So I kind of like reward myself with them because they're rather expensive. Like this bottle's 10 bucks. It lasts a long time. I usually make it last like several months, but it's still, that's super pricey for cleaning supplies. So I kind of treat myself with it. Okay, it's not overpowering. The sea salt neroli scent from Caldrea is, it's very strong. This one doesn't feel like it's very strong, and it does have a scent to it that I can't quite put my hand on. So I'll have to try it and let you know how much I like it. Right now I'm just kind of like, it's okay. All right, here's some more Miss Meyers honeysuckle scents. I got the dish soap. Oh, okay, I was apparently feeling the honeysuckle because I got another spray. I got some more of the 7th generation hand or wipes for Bobby to use in his bathroom. See if I can get it to focus. I already showed you guys, so it's okay. What is this? Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar in bright lemon. So I've never used this, but I did watch, who was it that had cleaning? I think it was Bits of Brie. She was doing a cleaning video where she used vinegar, and I was like, oh, okay, maybe I can try that. Because I've never used vinegar to clean before. So I got this, and this is a cleaning vinegar. So I'm gonna see if it smells like vinegar. Okay, so it doesn't smell like vinegar. It does have a lemony scent to it, but it's not like over the top lemony. So I'm excited to try that. This says, bring your home alive again, each of us in our own microbiome with, okay, wait, I wanted to read you actually like cleaning. How to, spray directly on surfaces and wipe with a cloth, sponge or mop. And it says, while vinegar may tackle the majority of the household, it's important to test first on inconspicuous spots. So, I mean, I guess you just use it like a multi-surface spray. So, I'm going to try it. A little nervous, but we'll see how that goes. Oh, here you go. I guess I was another honeysuckle. I got the foaming hand wash in honeysuckle. And I also got it in the regular hand soap in honeysuckle. And then I got some more walnut scrubbers. I love these scrubbers. I keep them in our house regularly. So I'm glad to have some more of those. Oh, here's my packing slip. So we can see when I ordered this as well. This one, okay, so this one was in December. So I ordered this stuff, I guess, getting ready for, thinking I'm gonna get ready for baby. So that's when I ordered this one. All right, I have one more. All right, so let's see. Ooh. Alright, so I got the Method Wood Floor Cleaner Refill. This is the cleaner I use. I have a Bona mop, and I just refill the Bona refill with this and use it on my wood floors. This smells like almonds and it's amazing. It makes your house smell so good, like you've been baking cookies all day. Sorry about that, that was my alarm on my phone. So it makes your house smell like you've been baking cookies all day. So I got the big one as a refill, and apparently I also got the small one, which I don't know why I did that. Pregnancy brain, I suppose. So this is what it looks like when you get the individual one, and that's the refill. Let's see. Okay, I got the Miss Meyers Rainwater Foaming Hand Soap. I've never used this scent before, so I'm gonna open it and see what it smells like. Let's see. Ooh, that smells good. It's just very, very fresh, kind of like almost like laundry detergent, and I just made a mess on my hands. So I'm excited to use that one. Oh, more scrubbing sponges. And there's my packing slip. I ordered this in February. Okay, this is the glass dish soap bottle, and I ordered this because, like I said, I don't really care if I use the scents from Miss Meyers in seasons they're not in, because I just always get a backlog of them because I order so many. But I don't want it to like have a Christmas scented bottle on my counter. So weird like that. So I ordered this to put my dish detergent in and put it on the counter so that it kind of was anesthetically pleasing. I know, I'm a little extra, but that's okay. Let's see if I can unpack it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's just got a plastic bottom so it doesn't slide around on the counter. And then it just pumps out your dish soap. So I will be definitely using this and setting that up, because I think it'll just be so much prettier than having the dish soap bottle on the counter. Oh, and then I got one more thing in here. Microfiber all-purpose cloth. This was my free gift for this month with being a VIP member. And these are the microfiber cloths from the Growth Collaborative, and I love these. I use them to clean all the time. They're great quality, and they are nice to have around. They're super absorbent, and they clean really well without leaving kind of yucky behind. So I like these. All right, that's it, y'all. Like, that is a lot of cleaning supplies. And so I'm really excited to go start cleaning now. That's my plan for the day, is just to get this house clean. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you can try some of these products with me. Let me know down below what your favorite product is that I bought, and if you like it or not, or if you have an experience with one of these. And tell me what you, if you don't like it, what you used instead. So maybe I can try some new products. Thank you guys for coming to watch this video. I hope y'all have a great day. God bless.